Today I'm going to show you the difference between laminar flow and aerated flow. This is a common question, so wanted to show you the difference. This faucet is the Dornbracht Tara Ultra and it is a laminar flow. It is nearly silent and feels more dense on your hands. I find that I don't need to use the spray function as often with this flow to clean plates, which is also nice. This flow type is less popular than an aerated flow, but it's definitely my favorite. There aren't many brands that use this, but you will find it on Dornbracht and Galley faucets, which are two of the best. Next, let's talk about aerated flow. I love this Watermark faucet, and it is an aerated flow. Aerated flow simply has air mixed into the water. The air mixture creates a stream that is softer, larger, and wider than laminar flow. Most say it reduces splashing, but the splashing seems pretty similar to me, as you can see here. And if you have your sound on to watch this video, you can definitely hear the difference. There is not a right or wrong flow to choose, so hopefully this video helped you decide which is best for you. Let me know in the comments which you prefer. Thanks for watching.